Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone volume problem in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open control center, so swipe down. Now here, so first of all check your mobile is not turn on silent mode. So if you turn on, so turn off silent mode. After turn off silent mode, you will check your problem is solved. So again open control center. Now here click on do not disturb. So first of all turn off do not disturb mode. So after turn off do not disturb mode, so click on screen. Now here click on, so first of all turn off Bluetooth mode. So after turn off Bluetooth mode, go back to and increase voice from here. After increasing voice, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to home screen. So refresh phone. So that's how you can fix iPhone volume problem in iPhone 17 Air Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.